Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome to Coder Station. In today's video, we are going to see what are the data types in Python, how to use them in Python, and we will also see what is the use of type function in Python. So let's get started. So on my screen, you are able to see some data types listed over here. These are the following like numeric, string, sequence, boolean, and set data type. Numeric data type are related to numbers in float, double, complex, etc. And if you have done coding before in languages like C, C++, you may be aware of these data types. Numeric, string, and boolean are the data types which are most prominently used in any other programming language. The new one to you are the sequence data type and set data type. Sequence data type are related to sequence in which you can identify in the sequence what type of sequence it is, like it is a list, tuple, or range. And it that list, tuple, or range, you can also identify what type of data is stored. That means first you will understand what what sequence is this, like it is a list, it is a tuple, or a range. And in that you can also find out what type of data is stored in it. And set data type is also related to set. So without wasting time, we will see how practically you can use this data type. And let's see the use of type function practically. So let's get started. So on my screen, you are able to see a code written over here. Now on my screen, you are able to see a code written over here. This is the code in which we are checking the type of the data stored in the variable with the help of type function. I'll explain you the each and every line of the code. So let's get started. So in the first line of the code, we have printed a normal hello statement. Now second line onwards, we have declared some variables and we have assigned different data type to them. For example, in name variable, we have stored a string. In age variable, we have stored an integer. Address variable, in which we are storing complex variable. And in the marks variable, we are storing float values. And in past variable, we are storing boolean values. Now you might be wondering how to use this type function. So using type function is much easy. You have to write a normal print statement. Then in the double inverted commas, I have written name. This will print a normal statement name. And by giving comma to print the value of a variable, we are typing the name of that variable after comma. And we have to again write a comma to understand the type of the variable using type function. You can use type function in this way. Write type and bracket, you have to write the name of the variable of which you want to know the value. Now you can skip this, the the value part of it. I have just written this for the understanding purpose. Whenever you want to whenever you want to know the value of a variable, you have to use this, that is the a normal print statement, and then a comma, and then you have to state the name of that variable to know the value of that variable. Or you can also do that, you in some cases you want to only know the data type of the variable, so we will skip this part. Now in the output, you will understand in a more specific manner. Now you are able to see a output on my screen. First was our hello statement. Second is a name. We are not able to see coder station because we have removed a variable name which was going to show us the value. then the age class is int, and then so on. You can see that the data types are matching. So with the help of the type variable, you can understand much more things in a better manner, and you can use it to know type of the value stored in a variable. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have any queries related to type function or any other concept in the Python, you can contact me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.